How to buy Robux with Cash App. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel with Wiz. Today you're gonna learn how to buy Robux with Cash App. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is gonna be easy because here in the top menu of Roblox.com we have the Robux option, and there you're gonna have the different options that you are gonna be able to buy. In my case, I guess I'm not gonna have in my account that option with the Cash App. Let's try. I'm gonna try to. Okay, yes, I'm gonna be able. I'm gonna teach you why, because you're not gonna pay directly with the Cash App, but with the cash card that the Cash App is managing. Okay, so this is kind of cool because with Cash App you're gonna be able to have an account even if you are a boy around, a boy or a girl around the 13 years old. So this is kind of sad, but this is real because if you try to log in, you are gonna need to live or in the United States or in the United Kingdom. Those are the two countries that Cash App is available. So if you're trying to create an account from another different country, you're not going to be able to do that. Here in the Cash App, you're going to be able also to have some tokens like Bitcoins and so on. So this is a great tool, but as I told you, this is not for all countries. So perhaps that's going to be a problem by now. But basically, if you already have your Cash App, you're going to have the option to receive the cash card by free. And obviously here in Roblox, you're going to be able to buy this amount just by pressing the debit card and to completing the blanks here in this part. Okay, your card number, expiration date, and that's it. In that way, you're gonna be able to buy Robux with Cash App. Thank you.